It was exactly 5 years back that I received a call from one of the prestigious financial institutions. And that institution was none other than National Stock Exchange. It was for a specific reason, and the reason was to set up a platform to give excellent service and an experience for all our mutual fund investors. Think was fortunate enough to have been selected amongst the top 20 advisors in India who have been onboarded for this particular experiment. The journey has been excellent, although we had our own hiccups. In fact, I remember that one of my SIPs weren't getting registered on the online platform itself. But we've come a long way. Today, more than around 1,500 Think investors are availing these facilities seamlessly. It wouldn't have been possible, of course, without all your help and the patience that you've shown to kind of go through this entire journey. And I really wish from the bottom of our heart and from the Think team a big thank you to all of you. Since the pandemic started in March, we took another leap, and this time we added one more feather on our hat. And that was that we provided the entire access to you through different mediums. Think realized in the times of pandemic that it wouldn't be possible for us to serve you in the same way as what we did previous to the pandemic. And this was when we gave you access to you through the mobile app, the laptop as well as the desktop versions. We are happy that we have been receiving great reviews on these particular facilities and conveniences given to you. Going ahead, we would be endeavoring into exploring newer options to provide you similar such experiences through Think. And we seek your support in doing so. This is Rajesh Atangadi, your Shubh Chintak, saying thank you from the bottom of our heart, and we hope to have you through this journey throughout. Thank you once again.